Okay, here's a little bit of voice leading with that melody of Twinkle Twinkle. One of the best. So first of all, get the melody. We're doing it in the key of C. So I'm just going to take it real simple. But we start with a C chord. We go up to the 5th of C, and then we go to an F, back to C, F, C, G, and C. So let's just stick with that. So you need to do the melody first in your right hand, finger 5, sorry. I'm just going to do chord inversions in my left hand for now, so you can kind of hear all of that. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing again, but try and see if you can do octaves in the left hand. And maybe you can rock it like this. Root 5th octave. Let's try this. It goes C, up to F, back to C, F, C, to G, finish with 1, chord 1, C. I'll do it again. To C, F again, C again, G, finish with C. So once you have that layer, what you're then looking to do is try and see if you can start filling out those chord inversions. F, the second inversion. Back to root position. First inversion F, second inversion C, root position G, first inversion C. See how I did that? So I'm kind of going to go stronger on finger 5. So now I'm kind of arpeggiating and always playing finger 5 at the end. Okay, just to get those shapes. Eventually you can start kind of just filling in around it, and what I mean by that is kind of like this. So I would kind of stick into a pattern there, which is kind of like note, fill, note. I was kind of always doing a little arpeggio going up. Occasionally I did go down. I was sticking to a pattern there, but you don't necessarily have to. The main thing is you have those notes available to you should you wish to employ them in any moment, because your fingers are sitting there ready to go. So yeah, that's the kind of idea with this melody. And you can always obviously just keep mucking around. I quite like doing what you call like sixth intervals. So that first one, when I did that melody, I was doing a sixth. I got rid of the middle one, which means I'm left with this sixth interval. That is called a sixth. A fifth is that big, sixth is one bigger. Okay, so I've got my third on the bottom, I've got my root on the top. When I jump up, I just feel like this kind of allows the melody to stand out a bit more. So that was kind of a combination of sixths and fifths. So like I've got a sixth of the C chord, I've got a fifth of the C chord there, sixth interval for the F, back to a fifth, back to a sixth, that'll be another sixth, and for G it's a fifth, back to a sixth. I'm just going to play around now. There we go, have a little go doing some kind of voice leading chord melody ideas.